Okay, so had a little hiccup here. Last night I had to change the roll of filament. Everything seemed to work okay. And then I don't know, probably half hour into the restart of the print, it just stopped. And it stopped right about here. And so I couldn't do nothing with it. It was kind of like it was froze up. So I had to turn the machine off, and I figured, oh, well, this has got a power out surge protector thing in the system. So I turned it back on, and it asked if I wanted to resume print, and so I did, and everything started printing again. But then it came to this exact spot here again, and stopped. And I tried it, 10 times, and it just kept stopping the exact same spot. So I was at a bit of a loss, wasn't sure what to do. Then I remembered that when I first bought the machine, I had issues because of the SD card. So I figured, okay, I'll change SD card. So when I changed the SD card, I copied the file, or I tried to copy the file from this SD card to the new SD card, and it said it was corrupt. So I figured, okay, well, there's the problem. So then what I ended up doing is I had a backup of the file on the computer. So I copied it to the new SD card, put it in, but then it wouldn't recognize it as a resume print. So then I thought, okay, it's hoop. So by this time it was about 2 a.m. So I went to bed, woke up this morning and figured, you know what, I'm going to try turning it on with the old card in, but before I hit resume, put the new card in. And so I tried that, and then it started printing. So if you look really close, there's a little bit of a line in a few spots. Most of the places it actually, you can't really tell, but I know there's a spot right here. If I can focus now, you can kind of see the line right there. Okay, so I'm hoping you can't really notice that. I think if you stand a few feet back, like if I'm back here, I can't really notice it. So, but anyway, in the meantime, when this thing was cooling off, I could hear it clicking and creaking and stuff, and so it actually, it started loosening off the bed. So I had to tape that little, good thing I put a brim on here, and taped it in, and then I actually went on the inside and I taped that to the bed, and I guess everything seems to be working. It still freezes and stuff, so you notice I'm getting lots of little bumps all of a sudden. So I think either the SD card is messed up, because that's what happened before, or this printer just can't handle this big of files, which is ridiculous because this printer is supposed to handle this. This is only 300 high and it's supposed to handle 400, and it's hollow. So I know it's a big G-code file, but that's what this thing's supposed to be. So I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna have to do another one with a totally brand new SD card and see what happens.